Hi everyone, I'm Max. Recently I was at Philips Academy's Andover Summer program, and I think it's a really good program. It's located in Andover, Massachusetts on the school campus, and it's around 5 weeks. It usually starts at end of June until around early August or end of July. The program is around 5 weeks long. Usually students will be able to choose 2 classes and a school sport event, and there are lots of free time for students to do their own activities, either on campus or outside campus. Students are allowed to leave the campus as long as they are within the time limits and they are within the town of Andover. Usually there are 10 or 20 courses you can select. I chose astronomy and photography, which I both find really interesting and informative. Usually students wake up at 7 or 8 and classes start at 8:30. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and each class is around 90 minutes and there are around a 30-minute gap between. After that, students usually get lunch, or if they have a different schedule where they do first and third lesson, then their third lesson will start around 1 until 2:30. After that, around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. students get specific days get sport events, usually like football, hiking, or other sport events. After that, around 5 to 6:30, students get dinner, and after that they get study periods from 7:30 to 9, and at this period students can be in the library or in a building or in their dorm. After that, students need to be in their dorm and you start preparing for rest and maybe finish off their homework. On Saturdays and Sundays, students get activities outside the school. You can go to Boston to shop or go to theme parks or the beach in Massachusetts. And on Saturday, we still have classes and it's the same schedule until the noon, but after that it's free time and you can go to Boston, walk around the campus or the town, or just stay in your dorm or stay in a building and do the stuff you need to do. On Sunday there are no classes and same activities apply. However, on Sundays you do need to get back into the dorm early at around 9, unlike Saturday, which allows you to be out of the dorm but in school until 11. And this is how usually weekday and weekends will work at the camp. On Wednesdays, you do get an opportunity to go to colleges or universities to visit. For example, I went to Tufts and it was a really informative tour, and it did make me very interested in school. However, some of the programs do require money, and usually it's $20 or $30, which is, I think, very worth it for the kind of tour you get, and all the bus and the transportation and all the food. On Mondays and Saturdays, students do get an opportunity to get some more on the snacks or food, and the activity is called Peresky Late Night. Peresky is the name of the dining hall at Andover, and usually students go at around 8:30, maybe to 9, to get some extra food or snacks, usually like ice cream, chips, crackers, and stuff like that. There are also optional courses like college counseling, SSAT, and SAT preparations, and these will happen around afternoon between the third lesson and the sport activities. Usually 1 hour, and although I didn't choose it, some of my friends chose it and they said it's really helpful. Overall, I think this is a fantastic program. You both get sports, academics, and many others. Next time, which is around tomorrow, I'll also post a video about the application process and the things to know when you're applying to the program and some tips.